Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now, I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 8. Okay? And our today's topic is assignment number 1, its discussion. So let's see what was the topic. Dear students, this is your assignment number 1, class 8, agricultural studies. Okay, and this assignment is related to chapter 1, agriculture of Bangladesh and international perspectives, and this is your topic. Okay, so at the place of topic you will write agriculture of Bangladesh and international perspectives. Okay, and from this chapter which lessons you need to learn for solving this assignment. Lesson 1, contribution of scientists in agriculture. Lesson 2, lifestyle and culture of Bangladeshi people and modernization of agriculture. Lesson 3, advancement of agriculture in different countries in the world. Lesson 4, comparison of Bangladesh agriculture in perspective of Asia and the world. Lesson 5, Bangladesh versus India. Lesson 6, overcoming the seasonal dependency of crops. Dear students, although here are 6 lessons given, but to solve this you need to read this up to 5 lessons. Okay, from 1 to 5 lessons you need to read, and I will request all of you to read these 5 lessons first. After reading that, then you will start to solve this assignment. And you know that for solving this assignment you need to write the assignment in A4 size paper. Okay, assignment or assigned tasks. Rumi's father is an agricultural scientist. He developed a sweet and high yielding mango variety which is being successfully produced in field level under the name Bari 4. Dear students, that means Rumi's father is a farmer, and although he is a farmer, he produced or he was able to produce a new variety of mango which is high yielding and sweet, and its name is Bari 4. On 16th December 2020, Honorable Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, awarded him with the Presidential Medal for his contribution. Okay, that means for inventing such kind of good product, the Prime Minister of our country awarded him with Presidential Medal. Okay, now this is your question. Mention your well thought out opinion about the following things that have starred in Rumi's father's honor. That means by achieving the honor, which thought is invented on your mind, you have to write it by following these questions. Number 1, who has contributed to the tireless work and research in the development of rice, jute, wheat, sugarcane, cultivable fish, sweet varieties of mango, malta, etc. Who has contributed? Dear students, in your textbook in chapter 1 and in lesson 1 and 2 you get these questions answered, because here you will get that the teachers of different agricultural institutes are working for these purposes, and along with the teacher, the farmers are also inventing the new genres of crops along with AETI, Agricultural Extension Training Institute, and VTI, that means Veterinary Training Institutes, are also working for changing or updating the genre of the crops. Okay? As a result, their contribution would be written here. Okay? Then, which organizations have invented these new varieties through research? The institution's name, which I told you in number A, you also will have to write their name, their contribution, what they are doing to invent such kind of products, new products, updated products, hybrid products. Okay? Then number 3, which variety of paddy has been invented from Bangladesh Rice Research Institute? Dear students, in lesson 4 you will get it that Bangladesh Rice Research Institute has invented which genre of paddy. Okay? You will get that here, you will get 4 kinds of paddies which are very much updated. You will write its answer from there. Apart from paddy, what other varieties have been invented by the agricultural scientists that the farmers are cultivating in the field and taking the economy of Bangladesh forward? That means besides paddy, what are the other products which genres are updated by the scientists, agricultural scientists along with the farmers? That means you will get its answer on that context that the other products are rice, besides rice, that means jute, wheat, sugarcane, cultivable fish, then sweet varieties of mango, etc. A lot of products. Okay? You will give its description. Then number 5, what kind of employment opportunities have been created for the people through the production of all these agricultural products? Dear students, you know that by inventing such kind of hybrid products which are seasonal obsession free, that means in winter which products are available in winter only. If any farmer can produce that products in summer, that means the farmer will get more benefit. Along with in summer, the farmer does not need to stay without any work, because on that time the farmer will try to produce such kind of products which are not available in summer. Okay? As a result, by doing this, a great opportunity has been created to the unemployment problem of the farmers. Along with, they are becoming very much money by selling such kind of products in season. Okay? That means in which season that crops are not available, and if the farmers can produce such kind of products on the other seasons, that means they will get more benefit on that season. Okay? This was all about your assigned task or assignment. Okay? You will complete it on A4 size paper. And now, instructions. Read NCTB recognized agricultural studies books first chapter. Collect information from internet. By reading your textbook, you may also collect information from internet, take suggestion from your subject teacher. That means if you face any problem, then you may contact with me also. Then take suggestion from guardians. You also may take suggestion from your guardians. Then consult with the nearest neighbor in compliance with hygiene rules. By following hygiene rules, although it's very much crucial time for everyone for COVID-19, so by maintaining the hygiene rule, you may consult with this problem with your neighbors. Okay? Then this is assignment criteria. this is very much known to you that what is assignment kriya, that means criteria, that means in which criteria you will get excellent, you will get very good, you will get good, then the last one you will get need to progress. So let's talk about excellent. The subject matter is accurate and consistent. Information and idea should be related to the subject matter. Creativity of writing. If you have all these qualities, then you will get excellent. Very good. Accuracy and consistency of the subject matter. Information and ideas are related to the textbook. Okay, if this happens on your writing, you will get very good. But here are the lackings of creativity. Okay, then the content is accurate but lacks consistency. Information and ideas are partially relevant to the subject matter. In this how you will get good, and then need to progress, lack of accuracy and consistency of content, and information and ideas are not relevant to the textbook. By doing this you will get need to progress. Dear students, this is all about the assignment 1, and its submission date is 13th April. Okay, and this is the end of the class. I hope you all have understood the today's topic, and if you face any problem, please contact with me. I will try to solve the problem inshallah. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.